Okay, I've heard about this food litti chokha. So is it? I think it is. It is a traditional food delicacy. I would say delicacy or some food item from Bihar, right?
Yeah, it is Bihari's traditional food. One of the most famous food in. You're
Repercussion.
originally from Delhi?
Yes. I've spent most of the years of my life in Delhi. I was not born in Delhi. I was born in some other state, but I have lived here for most of the years of my life.
There would be lots of people who would have gone to their village or their hometown because of Deepavali. And of
Hmm.
course, Bihari would have come to Bihar because of the Chhat. They must come
Okay.
during Chhat here to
Okay.
their home. Most of the Biharis, I'm not talking about all. So
Okay.
Delhi is full of Biharis as well. I know, as far as I know. I don't know where do you live, but you could have seen, right now vacant road and everything in Delhi because I know it's a big city, so it doesn't make any difference. So even people depart from the city, they go
Mm-hmm.
for a while.
Mhm.
Does it
Delhi
make
is a
sense?
place where people from all other states, come here for good job prospectus. They want to have a good life, right? But at the same time, it is one of the most densely populated states that we have in India, right?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, I've heard about this food litti chokha. So is it? I think it is. It is a traditional food delicacy. I would say delicacy or some food item from Bihar, right?
Yeah, it is Bihari's traditional food. One of the most famous food in, I can say, South Bihar and West Bihar. North Bihari do not use it as much as South and West Bihari use it. But
Mm-hmm.
after all, yes, it is very famous in whole Bihar. That
No,
is
I've never
Bihar.
tasted it. I've never tasted it. I would want to have some authentic litti choka if I get a chance.
Yeah, you can find it in Delhi streets as well because there are lots of people who are selling.
Mm-hmm. Yes, but till now, I never got a chance to taste it. But yeah, I would like to definitely have it someday. Okay, so that is about, there is a concept emerging like green crackers. Have you ever heard it?
Mhm.
Green crackers. It's said that green crackers produce less amount of smoke.
It is said as green cracker, but it is not green at all. Like I mean, we always look for some alternatives, right? So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it is an alternative, but after all, it is creating pollution. Yeah, we understand, the emotion of kids and they like it, but we have to make them also understand that we can give them another sort of things to play with on the occasion of Diwali, so they can understand. No, they cannot understand that what is pollution and everything. I know they are kids, but we
Mm-hmm.
can give them other resources that can make the Diwali special for them.
Yes, of
So
course. And we need
so
to
it's
tell them
good,
that
like we.
Diwali is the festival of lights. It's not the festival of firecrackers. Light as many as the others as you want, but not firecrackers, right?
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay, because this
The
is not
problem is
something
with
that,
environment.
yeah, sorry. Yes,
Yeah,
Anand.
we are already overpopulated here on this planet now, and
Mm-hmm.
if we are causing any other harm, because overpopulation is already damaged everything right now, everything is getting out of control for us, and we can see these consequences. There are less consequences right now. It is not less, it is big, but we cannot see as big as it can impact our personal life right now. But we will
Mm-hmm.
see after 20 or 30 years down the line, it is going to impact our personal life as well.
Of course,
So
because
that's why we need to spread awareness.
this earth doesn't belong to us only. We need to,
Yeah.
what kind of life are we expecting, our for upcoming generations to have? If we will keep on polluting earth the way we are polluting it now, our future generations will have no fresh air to breathe, not even water to drink. There will be no land where they can build their houses or grow their food,
Yeah.
right? So that is something
Mhm.
we have to be, we have to keep in mind, right?
Right.
Okay. Anand, I would like to discuss a few idioms with you, okay, that you can use in your day-to-day communication. I will write something in the chat box and you can tell me the meaning if you know the meaning. Okay, Anand, if we do something around the clock, what does that mean?
Around the clock means in some particular time.
Mm-hmm. Of course, it has something to do with time because there's this word clock, right? But if you are doing something around the clock, that means you do it continuously 24/7. Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Thank you.
For
Yeah.
example, you can say,
Uh,
I have been preparing for my upcoming competitive exam around the clock.
Around the clock. Yeah.
Yeah, I have been studying for it around the clock, right?
Hmm.
That means 24/7.
Yeah.
Can you give me an
Mhm.
example sentence with this?
I've been working on my English around the clock.
Wonderful. Very nice. That's great. Now, the second idiom, around the corner.
Around the corner means near, something is coming near, or yeah, it's
Very good.
about to happen.
It is an event.
Yeah,
It is an event.
yeah,
Yeah.
even, yeah,
An event is, it's very near. Now, can you
yeah,
give me an
near.
example sentence?
Yeah, Chhat Puja is around the corner.
Wonderful, wonderful. My birthday is around the corner. My wedding anniversary is around the
Is
corner.
around the
Whatever
corner.
it is.
Yeah,
Yes, yes. You're not exactly mentioning the date, but you are letting other people or other person know that it is very near or very close, right? Okay.
yeah.
So let's proceed to the feedback now, Anand. It was nice talking to you, even though we were speaking with each other for the first time. But I felt so nice because you were very calm while expressing your thoughts. You were not rushing. The pace of speaking was also on a moderate side, right? You did not rush. That is something which I really liked. And the conversation, flow of conversation, it was very smooth. The transition from one idea to other idea, it was very smooth. But all you need to work on is that there were use of fillers. There was use of fillers,
Hmm.
like that is something that you can minimize. I know that's very difficult to get rid of it overnight, but use of fillers have to be less.